Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you set up your WhatsApp business account. So at first, just go to the WhatsApp business account, and in the top left corner, this house-like icon here, click on it. After clicking it, here you can see in the business tools option, the very first one is business profile. Click on it. After clicking on it, here you can see the very first here is your photo. You can give a photo. I have just given a photo of mine, and the very first option here is your name. Just give your name or your business name, and the second option here is your business type. Just click on it and you can select your business type like these categories. The third option here is your business description. You can give a business description. Here is just like I'm giving YouTube. Like this. The fourth option here is business address. You can give your business address. You can select it through location on map. The fourth option here is your business hours. You can select the schedule just clicking it. Here you can see there are three options here: open for selected hours, always open, and appointment only. The fifth option here is email. Click on it and you can give an email of your business. And in this section, the last option here is website. You can give your business website here. You can also add other websites, and under that, here you can see your products. You can give your business products. You can also add Facebook or Instagram with your WhatsApp. And then the last here is your urgent call only number. You can put a number for urgent calls only. You can also change your number. So guys, that's how you can set up your business WhatsApp business account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.